Have you just bought a practice or you're starting a new practice and you're wondering, how do I fill my chairs with new patients? That's a great question. And a lot of times you get different advice. You can get advice on you need to do this for marketing, you need to do that for marketing. And I'm here to tell you that you might want to think about where people are actually going to come from that are going to have the highest intent. Because when you're starting a new practice, you don't have time to wait for things to work. You want them to come in right away. So I'm here to tell you right away that Google Ads is the answer to your question. It's not SEO, it's not Facebook, it's not all these other things. Yes, those work and they're great for growing your practice long term, and you really should do them. But Google Ads is where you want to start. So, what is Google Ads? Google Ads is where you bid on keywords such as dentist, dentist near me, dentist in your city, and you bid on those keywords, and your website comes straight to the top, and people are going to click on it, and they're able to call you or fill out a form. Most people are going to call in this industry, and so the reason why you want to run Google Ads right away is you can get those new patients in immediately versus having to wait for your website to rank or your website to show up in the map pack. But this is probably not making a whole lot of sense to you until we dive in. So let's look at a browser of me just searching, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by all of this. So I am going to move myself out of the way here and let's talk about it. Okay, so I typed in dentist near Spearfish, South Dakota. That's where I'm from. And I see a few different ads here. So the first one says Dana Dental Arts, Rapid City. And it also says Spearfish, so maybe they're running an ad for both. That can be kind of confusing. If I looked up Spearfish and maybe I missed the second part of it, it's kind of even weird that they say their name twice. But they do service Spearfish because they are in our area. Says we also have the following payment options. It's saying like we also, it doesn't make any sense. So that would be kind of weird to see. I'm just looking for a dentist. So you kind of have to think about where the description is, but I'm showing you where the ads are. Next one down is dental treatment options. The thing is I'm not looking for a treatment option. I'm just looking for a dentist. Because what if I don't have a broken tooth? What if I don't have tooth pain? What if I'm not looking for emergency? I'm just looking for hygiene or cleaning. And so your ad really needs to match what was searched. The next one is Dr. Blauer, DDS, Blauer Dentistry and Spearfish. So we know they do dentistry and Spearfish. We see he's a dentist, accepts most insurance, just not a Medicaid provider. Great. I'm able to find out a few different pieces of information there. So those are your ads. They came straight to the top. Whether or not that person ranks below when it comes to the maps or the search results, it doesn't matter because they came right to the top. So I'm just going to scroll down. We see Jackson Dental here. This is a sponsored one. I'm going to let you know that Google Ads will allow you to have a location extension, but it doesn't mean you actually are going to be able to automatically just show up at the top. And so you can link it, but it doesn't mean it's going to give you results there. So don't be alarmed if you linked your Google Ads account to your Google My Business listing and it doesn't show up. It's just not something that you can control, because if everyone can control it, then the ads or the map section would just be filled with all sorts of ads. We scroll down a little bit further. We see Dana Dental Arts, which is one of the ads as well. We see Blauer Family Dental, and then we see Ivory Dental below that. So that's the map pack. That would be based upon your search engine optimization of your website to get you higher on there, and also how close you are to the location and what even your level of intent with your search is. So maybe if you typed in dentist near me, you may not get that same result, but with dentist near Spearfish, South Dakota, you do. So then we scroll further down and we see Spearfish Family Dentistry, Dana Dental Arts again, Amon Dental, Ivory Family Dental, and so forth. So Google Ads is the very top. So if you're a brand new dentist or dentistry, dental practice, like if you if you're just trying to get new patients, you're gonna want to be right up here at the top in Google Ads. It's going to be the easiest and fastest way to get to the top of Google, and it's just going to be the best way to get new patients right away. So if you're looking to do that and you're trying to get more new patients, it's honestly best to work with a marketing agency, and that's something that Creatively Innovative, my agency, can help you out with. We have done Google Ads since, I've been doing it since 2016. So it's been about 8 years that I've been doing it. I know the nuances behind it. I know when to use the right offer, a landing page, being able to do call tracking, making sure that the forms are tracked, making sure things are working correctly. And a lot of the things that you do as a dentist, I wouldn't be able to do. So that's why I come into you for dentistry, and you would want to use someone like myself to be able to help you out. So if you would like to have a free consultation, you're going to click the link below, and it's going to give you a link to Creatively Innovative's website, and you can book a free consultation, and we can go over all of this for you. We can determine what your budget should be depending on your area. We can determine how many patients and phone calls you might be able to get based upon maybe some of your closing rates. So, for instance, like your front office, if they got, say, 50 calls. Well, how many of those turn into new patients? And you may not know. And it may be something that you might need to get help with improving. And we do have connections with coaches that can help with front office staff so that we can make sure that your front office is fully trained to make sure they answer those calls, give you the most new patients for the calls that you are getting. But so new patients new practices that are starting up, whether you're buying or selling, start with Google Ads. It's going to get you right to the top. It is pay per click, so that means that whatever you bid on, for instance, this was me looking up dentist near Spearfish, South Dakota. That means they're bidding on something similar to that. Either it's dentist, Spearfish, dentist near me. It could be anything similar to that. Is why they're showing up. It's going to give you results right away. It doesn't take time. Honestly, you can start optimizing that within a couple days, meaning your ads are going to start showing up, and then you're going to look at which keywords are working, and all of that can be done for you from our agency. You just got to give us a call or book an appointment to get us a call with us, and we can help you out with that. Thanks so much for watching this, and if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below or shoot us a message, and we would be glad to just talk with you. So go ahead and click a like before this video ends, and subscribe for more videos on how we can help you grow your dental practice. Thank you so much for watching.